Hey guys, Stephen Pillars here, back in the garage, today with a 1967 Shelby GT 350. Now we've installed several items from Proform to dress up our engine bay, starting with the air cleaner. Now every item you're going to see here features a black crinkle finish, but they also make some other finishes available depending on your tastes. Now the air cleaner and the valve covers and the push-in air breather caps all feature the iconic Ford Racing logo. Now the air cleaner itself is made of a die-cast aluminum, and it's got that slant edge design, so it's very lightweight, just a very easy way to really dress up your engine just a little bit more. And also to the valve covers, really the same story there. It's that slant edge design with the black crinkle finish, also featuring that Ford Racing logo. This is going to be a big upgrade over those stock tin valve covers if you still use any of those. These are going to be a lot less leak prone as compared to those tin ones. We also have our push-in air breather caps. Those are also with that Ford Racing logo and that black crinkle finish. Again, all of these are going to have those multiple finish options available depending on your tastes. Now last but not least is going to be your hardware. They make available a wing nut option or a mini nut depending on your clearances. We went for the wing nut option simply because they're easy to access, but they also look really cool too. As far as difficulty goes, I'm going to give this a 4 of 10 on the scale. Really not too bad with some technical know-how. Give yourself about an hour to make the installation happen. Alright guys, so that's a wrap. If you want any more details about these dress-up items, check the description below this video. Everything will be listed for you there, as well as a part number and a dealer locator so you can find these products at a dealer near you. Thanks again for tuning in. This has been Parts Pro in the Garage.